Hello friends, today we are going to study multiple inheritance in C Sharp. Multiple inheritance means creating a new class by inheriting it from more than one parent class. Or in other words, if a class has more than one immediate parent class, we call it as multiple inheritance. In C Sharp, multiple inheritance by using classes is not supported. The figure I have shown here drive interface 1 and interface 2 as a parent, so it is supported. In another, we can see that I am creating derived class from class. It is inheriting from class A and interface 2. So it is also supported here. And if I want to try to create derived class from class A and class B, it is not supported in C Sharp. It is because it creates ambiguity problem. We can achieve multiple inheritance by using interfaces. We can create a class by implementing two interfaces or by inheriting from one class and any number of interfaces. Now I want to show you by using a code example how it works. So this is my multiple inheritance program, as you can see in the figure, and this is my class A. In class A, I am having add two numbers. This is my class B. It is having a method which subtract two numbers. This is my class C, which is I am creating by inheriting class A, interface 1, interface 2. This is my interface 1. It is having declaration for show message. This is my interface 2. It is having one declaration for display message method. Now in program.cs file, here I am creating one object of class C. Class C object, it is class C object, and I am calling c.add2number. When I go to this class C, I see that I have implemented this display message from interface. I will go to the definition of this. So it is present in interface 2. So I have implemented this interface here in class C. I have implemented this interface 1 and I have written the code logic for this show message, which is of interface 1, which is having declaration here in interface 1. And in class A, when I go to class A, I'm having this add two numbers. It is taking two parameters, number 1 and number 2. And I'm adding here, and on the screen, it is printing the addition of two numbers. Now I will go to program.cs. So from this object of class C, I'm calling add two numbers, and at 10, 50, I'm passing. This add two number is present in class A, but I'm creating class C. So it is by inheriting from class A. So this will become the member of this class C, and I'm calling by using the object c.add two numbers, 10, 50, I'm passing. So it will print 60 on the screen. C.display I'm calling because I have implemented in my class C, and C.show message. So it will print their messages, and after that I'm trying to read the read line so it will read when I will enter, then the screen will be disabled. Now I will run this and we'll see the output. So as you can see, addition of two number is 60 because I have passed 50 and 10. Display message called message is printing here, so message called is printed. So it is working fine. Now I want to show you one thing, that when I try to inherit the class from more than one classes, this class C, I'm inheriting it from class A. Now I will try here to write class B as a base class. So as soon as I write here, it will give compile time error. So it means that it is not supported in .NET by that is creating the new class by using more than one parent classes. But I write interface 1 and interface 2, it is supported. So this was all about multiple inheritance in C Sharp. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.